Thank you, ma'am. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Chaji. After this, Dr. Fawzia Khanji. It's the Lok Sabha. You have 2.5 minutes, so please. The mic is not on.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Sorry. No, the mic is not on.
It's on. It's on.
You can sit down and speak.
Okay. आदतन तुमने कर दिए वादे, आदतन हमने एतबार किया, हमने अक्सर तुम्हारी राहों में रुककर अपना ही इंतजार किया. You promise, the nation believes. Ma'am, our ports act as a channel between our nation and the world. They are the gateways for land-to-land trading. This link from the hinterland to the sea is supposed to be one of the cheapest ways to enhance trade and economic activity. Under the new bill, the Port Authority shall now have the power to fix tariffs, which will act as reference tariffs for the purpose of bidding for the PPP projects. PPP operators, on the other hand, will be free to fix tariffs as per the market conditions. The Act should address the ratio for the profit or the revenue sharing on the tariffs fixed by the PPP operators, so that continuous revenue benefit is assured to the government as well. Ma'am, approval from the central government must be obtained when the board decides to go in for a PPP contract, especially regarding what kind of PPP model is being considered. An important issue that is constantly being discussed is the deliberate disintegration of the federal structure. A similar example lies in this bill. The board of each major port had been earlier allowed to generate its own specific master plan for any development or infrastructure around its boundaries. However, it seems, as per Clause 2 and 3, Section 22, Clause 2, Section 25, and Section 26, it takes away the involvement of the state government in the creation of the master plan. Considering the very little representation given, ma'am, to the states and the board members.
Honorable member, you'll have to wind up, please.
Just give me a minute, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
From each parliamentary house, both the ruling party and the opposition should be included in the board. There is a major speculation whether the intent of the bill is to privatize. It would be advisable to talk to the stakeholders and address their concerns. This may also involve security risks, ma'am, and security concerns in the PPP-operated projects must be addressed. एक पुराना गीत याद आ रहा है, ma'am. I'll end it with that. यहाँ तो हर चीज़ बिकती है, कहो जी क्या क्या खरीदोगे. देश टुकड़े टुकड़े बिक रहा है. हवा बेच दी, ज़मीन बेच दी, तेल बेच दिया, और अब समंदर भी बेचने जा रहे हैं. एक बात सिर्फ ध्यान रखना चाहिए सरकार ने, before I conclude, that it takes a generation of tireless effort to build up assets, but it takes a moment to blow it up. We must really guard ourselves against this tendency, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you very much. After this, Shri Kanak Medla.